Looks like it's sitting level.
Sitting nice and level?
Looks, yeah, maybe to bounce down just a little bit.
How about now?
Bows up just a touch.
Oh, right there.
Just out of the water.
Okay, good.
So you got to move your oars back further.
Definitely.